quadratic equation today we will start exercise 4.2 solution of quadratic equation by factorization. Question 1, first part I will take. Find the roots of quadratic equation. Find roots of quadratic equation by factorization. Question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This type of question you do in class 9, that is splitting of middle term. See, coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is minus 10. So product is 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. Middle term is minus 3. Now we have to find the factor of minus 10 and get minus 3. So what is the factor of minus 10, minus 2 or minus 5 and 2? So it becomes minus 3 and multiplication is minus 10. So instead of minus 3x you can write x square minus 5x plus 2x. It is your choice. चाहे तो इसको पहले लिख लीजिए, चाहे इसको पहले लिख लीजिए. Okay. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Now take out x common. So x minus 5 plus 2, x 2 common, x minus 5, again x minus 5 is common. In the other bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we will take 1 time this 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 5. Now x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2. These are the factors or roots of the quadratic equation. I will take one more part. Question number 2, I will take part 3. Under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now you see what is the product. Coefficient of x square is root 2 and constant term is 5 root 2. So product is equal to root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into 5, it is 10. Product is 10 and middle term is plus 7. So what is the factor of 10? So you get 7. It is 5 comma 2 and multiply you will get 10. So instead of 7x you can write root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. Now take x common, so it is root 2x plus 5. Now this is 2 and this is root 2 and now you can take root 2 common, then x plus root 2 common लिया, 2 में से root 2 common आया, it is root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Again take root 2x plus root 2x plus 5, root 2x plus 5, take common, root 2x plus 5 common and in another bracket x plus root 2. Now the roots of the quadratic equation is root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies root 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. Another root is x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 2. So these are the zeros, the roots of the quadratic equation. Now take fourth part, 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 0. So it is in fraction So we remove the fraction multiplied by 8, take LCM 8 either multiplied by 8, it is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is the product? 16 into 1 is the product is equal to 16, and what is the middle term? Minus 8. Minus 8 is the middle term. So what is the factor of this? What is the factor of this? 16 के factor क्या लेंगे आप? It is 4 minus 4 into minus 4. So it is minus 4 into minus 4 is 16, and minus 4 and minus 4 is 8. So instead of this you can write 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. You can take 4x common, 4x minus 1 minus 1 common, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This bracket is again common, 4x minus 1, and another bracket 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. It implies x is equal to 1 by 4. Again 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it implies x is equal to 1 by 4. It means ये आप क्या देख रहे हैं? रूट्स कैसे हैं? Roots are equal and real हैं. Roots are equal and real. This is, you can directly write, this is the identity of, this is also the identity of 4x minus 1 का whole square. This is the identity of 4x. You can do in this way also and by factorization. Question 2 is solve example 1. So example 1 is first part. John and Javanti together have 45 marbles. John and Javanti 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles, and the product of each and the product after that product of number of marbles is now 124. We should find out how many marbles they had to start with. How many marbles? So initially let John have X marbles and Javanti have, इसके X हो गए तो Javanti कितने है? 45 माइनस सिंगल वेरिएबल में रखना 45 माइनस X मार्बल्स. ओके, जॉन के x लिए इसके x ले लिए तो Javanti कितने हो गए? 45 माइनस x, x प्लस Javanti is equal to 45. Javanti is equal to 45 minus x. Now both lost 5 marbles. Both lost 5 marbles. Lost 5 marbles. So John now x minus 5 marbles, and Javanti 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to how much? 40 minus x marbles. Now after कह रहा है इसके बाद according to question product of these two is 124. So product of John marble after lost 5 marbles, then the product is x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 124. Now multiply these two. 40x minus x square minus 200x minus 200 and plus 5x is equal to 124. Now turn everything that side, right hand side, x square को तो ले जाएंगे तो positive. Now 40 and this 5 plus का होगा उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? minus 45x and plus 324. 200 plus 1 this 124 is 324. Now factorize it. What is the product? 324, and what is the middle term? -45 324 कैसे फैक्टर कीजिए कि क्या आ जाए -324 कैसे फैक्टर कीजिए क्या आ जाए -45. सो फैक्टर ऑफ 324 2 से डिवाइड कीजिए इसको 2 1 6 2 81 3 से कर दीजिए 27 3 से कर दीजिए 9 3 3. So you make the factors. Okay, so what is the possible factors? So here you can say that the possible factor of this is 16 9. The middle term is first you, what is the factor of 324? So you will get -45. What is the factor of? So it is 36 into 9. 36 और 9 ले लीजिए. If you multiply it, you will get 324. So x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324. So it becomes x common, x minus 36 minus 9 common. If you take 9 common और 9 common लेंगे 324 में से, तो 324 is the multiple of 36 into 9. तो 36 बचेगा. X minus 36, so x minus 36 and x minus 9, so you will equate 0. So x minus 36 is equal to 0. It will become x is equal to 36. If x minus 9 is equal to 0, is it x is equal to 9? These are the two numbers of marbles. Second part, a cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day. So the cost of the production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys of a day. Number of toys on a particular day, the total cost of the production was 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that. So let the number of toys be x. Now let the number of toys be x. The cost of production on particular day is was found to be 55 minus number of toys, that is 55 minus x. So according to question, total cost is equal to क्या हो जाएगी, दी हुई है number of items multiplied by cost of each item. Cost of each item is 55 minus x is equal to, given to you, 750. Now solve this, multiply this, it is 55x minus x square is equal to 750. Take all these two terms on right hand side, so it becomes x square minus का हो जाएगा plus का minus and plus 750 is equal to 0. So what is the product here? 750. And what is the middle term? minus 55. What is the factor of this? इसके factor क्या होंगे? You can take simple, you can take 30 into 15 by 75, but we require 750 है ना. 25 into 3 यानी कि 30 ले लीजिए एक और एक ले लीजिए 25. If you add it, you will get minus 55, and if you multiply it, you will get 750. Instead of 55, you can write x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 is equal to 0. So x you can take common, x minus 30 minus 25 common, so it is 750 के क्या होता है 30 into 25 लिखते हैं, तो 25 तो बाहर आ गया, क्या रह गया 30 माइनस का. So these x minus 30, x minus 30 again common, x minus 25. First this bracket is 0, x minus 30 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 30 Now x minus 25 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 25. So the cost of production is x is equal to number of toys be 30 Question 4. Find two consecutive integers whose sum of square is 365. Whose sum of square is 365. Let two consecutive integers be x, x plus 1. According to question, is sum of squares, square it and sum it. सम मतलब प्लस कीजिए इज इक्वल टू कितना है 365. You have to find the numbers x and x plus 1. So x square open with identity x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. So x square plus x square, it is 2x square plus 2x. इसको इधर ले आइए, 65 में से 1 चला जाएगा और माइनस का होएगा, माइनस 364 is equal to 0. Divide the full equation by 2. Divide the full equation by 2. So you will get x square plus x minus 182. So here product is equal to minus 182 and middle term is 1 plus का. So 182 के आप फैक्टर कीजिए, you will get 182 को डिवाइड कीजिए 2 से, 2 9 जा 13 7 जा 7 1 जा, make the factor 7 into 2 14 and 13. If you multiply 14 and 13 you will get 82. minus 82 लाना है और प्लस 1 का साइन लाना है, so you will do one thing, minus 13 14 comma minus 13. Instead of this you can write x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Take out x common, x plus 14 minus 13 common, x plus 14 is equal to 0. So it becomes x plus 14. Now x plus 14 and other is x plus 14 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. If x plus 14 is equal to 0, it means x is equal to minus 14 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 13. This you cannot take. So integers b. So integers b x is equal to 13 and x plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. 13 and 14 be the integers. Question 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13, find the other two sides. This is a right triangle. So let the base is x, altitude is how much less than its base, x minus 7, and hypotenuse is given to you 13. So find the other two sides. We have to find P and B. We know that this is a right triangle. In right triangle we can use Pythagoras theorem. So h square is equal to P square plus B square. You can get 13 का square is equal to x minus 7 का whole square plus base का square. Now solve it. 13 का square 169, x square minus 14x. With identity can solve, a minus b whole square, इसको solve कर दीजिए. x square minus 14x plus 49 and plus x square. So it becomes 169 is equal to 2x square and minus 14x plus 49. Take 49 here, it will become 120 इसको आप उधर ले जाइए, सो इट इज 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 14x एंड माइनस का 120. नाउ प्रोडक्ट इज हियर, मेक इट 0 बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड द जीरोस. इस इक्वेशन के जीरो निकालने, मेक इट 0. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट हियर? सी हियर, व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट? minus 120 and what is the middle term? minus 14. minus 14 you have to factor of minus, इसको पहले डिवाइड कीजिए, simplify it. So it is x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now the product is, you can write or, है ना, simplify, divide the equation by 2, you will get this. Now product is minus 60. Now middle term is minus 7. So what is the factor of 60? 12 and 5. What is the factor of 60? 12 and 5. So you want to minus 7. So minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5. Instead of minus 7x, you can write x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now you see there, take common in this. So when I take x common, it is x minus 12. Now if I take plus 5 common, it is also x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 again common, write x plus 5 in other bracket. So equate this, x minus 12 is equal to 0, x is equal to 12, x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. Side is not negative, so we will take x is equal to 12. If x is equal to 12 and base is equal to 12, then what is the altitude? X minus 7, यानी कि base is 12 centimeter, then x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeter. Question 6. A cottage industry produced certain number of poultry articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day the cost of production was 3 more than twice the number of articles on that day. So the number of articles, let the number of articles be x, cost on that day is equal to twice the number of article and 3 more, twice the number of article and 3 more, that is the cost of that day. If the total cost of the production was particular day, total cost is given to you rupees 90 on a particular day. Find the number of articles and the cost of article. Find the number of articles and cost of articles you have to find. So according to question, number of articles be x and cost of each article. This is each article. So we multiplied both. X, 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. So multiplied it, 2x square plus 3x, 90 को इधर ले आइए, minus 90 is equal to 0. So what is the product? Product is minus 90 and middle term is, product is 180. 2 into 90 minus 180 and middle term is 3. So what is the factor of minus 180? You know 15 into 12 is 180. So take 15 का plus and minus 12. So instead of 3x you can write plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. You can take x common, it is 2x plus 15 minus, you can take common, here you can take common minus 6. So it is 2x plus 15, 6 are 90. So again 2x plus 15 common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Either you can take this bracket 0, so 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to minus 15 upon 2. The cost we can take, don't take negative. So x minus 6 is equal to 0, so x is equal to, number of articles is not negative. So we will not take this. So x is equal to 6. This is number of articles. So number of articles is equal to 6 and cost is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3. It is 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 rupees.